Alright, if you're trading Forex on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, and you're tired of constantly switching between charts trying to figure out which currency pair is actually worth your attention, then today's video is for you. Today we're taking a closer look at FX Agency Advisor 4, a professional Forex trading dashboard that combines live currency strength analysis, real-time market bias, trade planning, and one-click order placement, all from a single panel inside MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. One of the biggest challenges for many Forex traders isn't placing a trade, it's knowing where to focus in the first place. With dozens of currency pairs available, it's easy to waste time jumping between charts looking for opportunities. FX Agency Advisor 4 is designed to simplify that process. Instead of opening chart after chart, the dashboard gives you an overview of multiple markets at once. It displays live currency strength, current market bias, momentum, and trade setups in one easy-to-read interface. One feature I really like is the built-in Currency Strength Dashboard. Rather than analyzing each pair individually, the dashboard helps you identify which currencies are showing relative strength and which ones are weaker. This can make it easier to spot potential trading opportunities and compare markets without spending unnecessary time on manual analysis. Another useful feature is the real-time market bias. When the bias filter is enabled, the software focuses on setups that align with the prevailing market direction. While no tool can eliminate trading risk, filtering trades based on trend direction can help traders maintain a more consistent approach instead of constantly trying to trade against market momentum. The dashboard also includes a live momentum heat map. This visual display allows you to quickly see which markets are active and where momentum appears to be strongest. Instead of guessing which pairs deserve your attention, you can prioritize markets showing clearer movement. Another area where FX Agency Advisor 4 aims to improve workflow is trade planning. When a signal appears, the dashboard provides suggested entry levels, stop loss, and take profit levels directly on the chart. Having these levels prepared can save time and help traders evaluate opportunities more efficiently before deciding whether to enter a position. And if you decide the setup matches your trading plan, the software includes a convenient one-click order placement feature. Instead of manually entering every detail, the pending order can be prepared with the suggested entry, stop loss, and target already filled in. You still review everything before confirming the trade, which means you remain fully in control of your account at all times. Another nice addition is the built-in market commentary. The dashboard provides plain English guidance based on current market conditions, helping you understand what the software is seeing rather than simply displaying numbers and technical signals. Installation is also straightforward. Simply install the software on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, activate your license, and you're ready to start using the dashboard. There's no need to install multiple indicators or build a complicated trading workspace. One thing worth mentioning is the licensing model. Unlike many trading tools that charge monthly subscription fees, FX Agency Advisor 4 is offered as a one-time purchase with lifetime product licensing and future updates while the product remains supported. If you're looking for a dashboard that brings together currency strength analysis, real-time market bias, momentum visualization, trade planning, and convenient one-click execution inside MetaTrader, then FX Agency Advisor 4 is definitely worth checking out. If you'd like to learn more, you'll find the link in the description below. Alright, if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future trading software reviews, Forex tutorials, and market insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading, and trade responsibly.